Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can connect Track Air earbuds with your Windows PC. So to do this, open this charging case and then click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. Okay, just like that. Keep that case open and simply move to the system settings. So open the settings and go for the left side for the Bluetooth and the devices, and here we have to click on this switcher. It's located in this place, and next we have to click to add device and select Bluetooth. Right now we can find them just right here, and as you can see we can find here only the left earbud, but we have to select the left. So let's do this right now. As you can see, we are connected with the left, but after that we have another request. So we have to accept that request, then keep close. And as you can see, right now we have to click connect for that unknown device. We have to remove this earbuds from this charging case, the left and the right one. As you can see here, I can find them. They are paired, they are connected, and then we have to just put them back to this charging case. Well, I just show you that out of this video, but we have to remove them and then put them back to the case. And as you can see right now, the information that we are connected together. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.